BYD stands for Build Your Dreams. BYD all-electric buses are powered by lithium iron phosphate batteries, the safest and longest-lasting batteries. Our buses are backed by a 12-year battery warranty. They're safe, clean, and reliable.
I'm an electric assembler. I started off in low voltage down in the chassis department here in the BYD, and worked my way up doing different parts of the triple. One team BYD, which we're all building dreams to organize and make a product that's probably going to be one of the most highest in qualities around the state here in the United States.
Our priority has, and will always be, providing zero-emission transportation for every community. We believe our manufacturing facility here in Lancaster, California, sends us toward environmental justice. We believe that every community has the right to clean air, and clean air means better health. BYD, the official sponsor of Mother Nature.